Hi Kipsters, I'm going to show you how to log into your Clever account. So the first thing you're going to do is go to a new web page. So you should have a brand new web page and go to the search bar and you're going to type in clever.com/in/KipTexas, just like that. Clever.com/in/KipTexas not .com, just KipTexas. All right, it should look just like that, and then you can hit enter. And it will take you to the login page. Remember, it should say KIPP Texas Public Schools up here because you are in KIPP Texas Public Schools. And you need to make sure that you are logging in with Google. So when it says log in with Google, you're going to click that button right there. And then you're going to be able to sign in using your KIPP student email and password. It's the same password you use to log into Google Classroom and Gmail and your Chromebook. All right, so in the email part, I have put Noah's email. Your full entire email goes in this part, and then when you have your email in there, you're going to hit next, and then you're going to type in your password. After your password is typed in, you're going to hit next, and then you should be logged into your Clever account.